What's going on, YouTube? This would be the second part to me using the Condor Terrasaur. If you haven't seen the first part, which is me actually using it to build a fire and make coals to cook this more bushcrafty type breakfast on, I implore you to go back and watch it, where I'll show off the knife a little bit and give you specs to the blade itself. If you've already seen that, it's good. This is the part where I actually just used a knife to cut up food and then I cook. It's the first time for me cooking more of a traditional bushcraft breakfast. So you won't see the knife as much. But like I said, if you haven't seen the first one and you're here for seeing the knife, go watch it. If you just want to relax and see some idiot make a fool of himself cooking outside, this is the video for you. Thank you. What's going on, YouTube? Part 2. So, let's see how the Condor Terrasaur can handle camp kitchen stuff. Now, in the previous video, like I said, I've never cooked with cast iron cookware before, and I've never cooked like a bushcrafty type breakfast before. I've only used little hiking stoves to heat up coffee or soup or something like that. I haven't done a full course bushcraft European style breakfast before. I got sausage, eggs, which are over there, and onions and mushrooms. That's pretty much what I could think of off the top of my head when I was planning on doing this, or when I was in the planning stages. So let's see how it fares up, because on the other videos I've seen of the Condor testing and whatnot, people just put it through wood. So let's put it through another task, another common task for knives. These are the onions. Mushrooms, and let's get that sausage cut first. Generally, I guess you want to cut your veggies and then your meat if you're in the house cooking and whatnot, but this is pre-cooked. All you got to do is warm it up, so we'll cut it first. And if you haven't seen the last video, it's me testing this knife, putting it through wood to make the fire over there, which is still burning a bit, but I'm waiting for it to turn to coal. It's almost just coals. It's on its last leg. Anyways, enough babbling around. It says it's easy to open, but I'm just going to cut it. I'm not going to peel it open. We'll go right through the middle. Just absolute slicey, like it. We'll go down the middle and then chop it up. Yeah, this on camera. As in the last video, one-man show. This time, one-man show. Go through the middle. Then we'll just flop, flop, flop. I never said I was a cook either. I am the cook of the family, though. I'm the one who cooks dinner. That's how I grew up. Dad always cooked the dinner. I don't really remember Mom cooking dinner much. She would cook lunch and stuff when Dad was at work. So I took on the part of cook when I got married and moved out. I made some quick work of that. Take 2 of these. We'll use 2. Oh, broken my hand, that's fine. Okay. Like I said in the last video, any pointers you guys and girls have, please. I'm trying to better myself. I'm more in a position of cooking now, outdoors. I was before. So, gotta start somewhere, right? Good enough. And really, you guys should know that this knife's just gonna cut. It's a knife, not a butter knife. But let's see, let's do, because I really don't need to cut the mushrooms much. It's more of just a demonstration, I guess. Let's move these out of the way. Yeah, you can use it as a little camp cook knife. That's all you had. It's marketed as a survival knife. It's marketed as a survival knife, so it should be able to cut and cook with it. Let's do a couple more. Let's do big boy. Cooking. First bushcraft breakfast. That should be enough mushrooms. Stop. It cuts. It cuts like a knife. That's after putting it through some wood. Now, let's get this back in my bag before the buggy wuggies decide they want some. Probably have to reposition the camera. Oy. Just added a little bit of canola oil. Beautiful. So far, loving the knife. Just got to do some more finer work with it, which I'll keep you updated on. But so far, so good. And I can't wait to try making a more traditional bushcrafty type breakfast, even though it's almost noon on this beautiful but hot and muggy Labor Day. get started. Have a little bit of fun. Fun on the bun. Really don't want to put this back in the sheet yet with it being all grimy. Here we go. Beautiful sound. Yeah. Sounds good, but the smoke burns the eyes. Of course, my wife and son are in the house up there, which, you know me, I forgot to bring something. I forgot to bring the plates, but I'm not gonna carry this hot thing up there. They can bring the plates down here and eat outside for once. Am I right? Although my son was getting real sleepy. He's only 17 months old, so I hope she can bring the plates out here. Oh my goodness. Even though I may look like a total tool on YouTube or whatever, I'm having fun. I'm going to take a picture of it. I'm going to be a white girl for once and actually take a picture of what I'm cooking or about to eat. We're about to have a video inside a video. This is what I'm up to. Cooking outside on Labor Day. Testing out the knife. She's right there by the Eggy Waggies. Hashtag Bushcraft breakfast, I guess. I'm recording myself over there as well. Smells good, but the smoke burns. Well, YouTube, guys, gals, I don't know if I'm going to cut any of this out. I'm only on 14 minutes right now. I'm doing good. Doing good. Will say though, that smoke, man. Don't worry, it's the onions making me cry. It's not the smoke. I was kidding. I don't really have anything to talk about. I'm just out here having fun and learning and progressing my skills. I did say I was going to do more bushcrafty stuff. Excuse me. Because right now, my bushcraft levels, if you don't just count basic notches, it's pretty much 0. If I had the time and I had the money, I would love to take Mr. Dave Canterbury's classes, at least the basic survival class, and I don't know if he has like bushcrafty classes or not, but all this stuff I'm doing right now, I should have been doing when I was a teenager. Got hooked on video games when I was a teen. So I learned little bit by little bit. I guess this is turning more into a little friendly conversation around the camp kitchen, huh? I think we need to add the eggs now. The sausage looks good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Before I do that, let's push all this out of the way. gonna scramble them because the yolk's broke already. Oh, this smells so good, guys and gals. All right, let's get this off these coals because I know it's going to continue to cook because it's cast iron. It's going to stay hot for a while. I'll show you what's up, and then I'll cut the video and have my wife come on out here with some plates if I can. Where's it at? There we go. Sorry about that, guys. Like I said, one-man show, and I just keep getting smoke in my eyes. That's what we're dealing with. Look at that. Is it still in view? Well, first Bushcrafty breakfast. It looks like it's gonna taste good. Smells good. So, if you like the video, subscribe. Think about subscribing, liking, commenting. Hey, I'm open for advice. I know there's a lot of people out there with a lot more culinary and outdoor culinary skills and stuff. I'm trying to better myself. And I would like to teach some stuff to my boy. Might as well pick up more now because, like I said, I got a little bit of survival skills. I don't got nothing like this type of stuff, the bushcrafty skills. So, please, if you got any advice, give it to me. Like, share, subscribe. I'm about to eat. Thank you for watching. Burkhart Meal Tack, signing off.